2, 3. Thank you. My dad forgot about my race, I guess.
Oh, he's not here.
He's here. He's talking to Joe.
Oh.
They'll be there all
Like,
day.
thanks, Dad, right?
Ain't no Field of Dreams, huh?
No. Nah. It's old school motocross.
I know.
Square edge, slippery.
Trying to pull a deal?
I'm trying to. I'm starting to learn. It might take me 6 motos, but I might figure it out.
Last moto, I'm like, oh, you might get me. I'm like, I'm gonna try and slam that wall and keep going.
Yeah, I started finding some nice lines, so I was just banking off the walls and I was just losing so much speed. Now I'm trying to find the smooth lines.
Didn't you used to do photography and stuff?
That was my brother.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Matt. Now he's a pro bowler now.
How do you like the over-under?
It's different. I want to jump on top so bad.
That last moto, I was like right there, and I'm like, I don't know. I mean, I know it can be done. It's just a matter of like, you're flipping your dead.
Yeah.
If I don't commit fully, and then I end up.
Yeah, I know. Like I jumped 3/4, and I'm like right there. I'm like, yeah, maybe.